Yeah, what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel, and we back with another banger. So we are currently in a trade this morning, guys. I took one trade this morning. It didn't play out. It's all good. So I got in again because I think I switched my bias to bullish. So we're going to see. I'm going to switch you to my Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 phone. The phone that opens up like Alright guys, we're on a 4-hour time frame on micro NASDAQ. So this was the trade that I took this morning. As you guys can see, we're in profit. We're trying to make our money back and then get $100 for our third day of making $100. This account was pretty much at break even at first, and then we made our money back so far. So I'm trying to get back to $100 to get my third day in. This is one of my funded accounts, and 47 is finally funded. That account we passed yesterday, they finally sent it to me. So we got two my funded futures funded accounts. I'm trying to get this one at $100 today, and that'll make my third day of making $100. So I need 2 more days to make $100, and I can request a payout. But I'm going for max payout, man. But I'm gonna show you the trades that I took. This was the first trade. I thought that we would keep selling. I was looking for the market to respect this 4-hour supply zone that I had drawn up. It did. It actually hit a 1-to-1, but I held it because I was like, you know what, I'm going to give it a chance. I always tend to like give up on my trades and stuff, and I'm like, you know what, today is a different day. Let me try to see if I can trust this thing, and it ended up going against me, y'all. So as right now, I'm on the 4-hour time frame because I noticed these 4-hour demands and supply zones are being respected. I'm at break even now on this trade. If I can click, yeah, there we go. So this was the first trade I took. I thought that the market would respect this 4-hour supply zone and keep continuing down. I was aiming all the way down here to like a previous demand zone, but yeah, that didn't work out. As you guys can see, that trade didn't work out. And as you guys can see, we are respecting this 4-hour supply zone up here, man. This 4-hour supply. I thought that this was going to be respected. It didn't. This is currently being respected. I'm looking for it to hit my TP up here. I think on the 5-minute time frame, there's a gap up here. Let's go to the 5-minute. And so my TP is up here. No, let's go to the 1 hour. I'm sorry. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yep, my TP is up here at the 1 hour supply zone up here. I'm aiming for that gap. If I hit that gap, that means that I make my $100 that I lost on this trade, and then I will also be in profit of $100 for the day. So hopefully it push up, man. I've officially hit $100, so I put my stop loss at break even. Remember, guys, I told you I'm going to stick to that. I just tried to trust it again, man, and it went against me. I hit a 1-to-1, and I didn't put it at break even because I wanted to try to trust it, and it went against me. So I'm going to keep that mindset, man. When I hit a 1-to-1, I'm going to put it at break even. That's just how I'm going to do it. I've been giving it a chance to let it play out, and it seemed like when I let it play out, it just don't want to work. And I'm like, well, guess what? I'm going back to what I did anyway. So I hit a 1-to-1 already. And I risked $100 on this trade, 25-point stop loss. I hit it. I hit my 1-to-1, so I put it at break even to try to cover fees and stuff. If it stopped me out, I just lost $100 for the day. It's all good, man. So we just gonna let this thing play out, man. It would be nice if it hit my take profit. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, hit my take profit, dog. It's 9:32 a.m. I got all my work done in my job, man. Shoot, man, it's just a laid back day today. I'm in a nice little trade, man, trying to grab some money. I'll keep you guys posted, man, on what we get ready to do, y'all. It's 9:41, and that thing didn't want to push. I was looking for it to get up there to a 1-to-2, and that thing respecting this 4-hour time frame. It's respecting that 4-hour supply zone. That line right here. it didn't want to go up at all. So it's all good, man. Yep, it stopped me out. So I got stopped out because the market wanted to respect this 4-hour supply zone. It may eventually go up. I don't know, man. I was aiming for up here in this area somewhere to hit that 1 hour gap. But the market just decided to respect this 4-hour supply zone. So I lost today $120. I was down like $103, but I ended up moving my stop loss up to cover those fees and stuff. So we only lost $100 today. It's all good, man. So I'm gonna show you the account again. Today we took a trade in one of the funded accounts. This is the first funded account that I had, and this is the second one. I haven't traded on that, so we're gonna leave that alone. We're just gonna wait until next week, man. So yeah, man, I'm good, man. I think next week what I'm gonna start doing, cause I noticed that my 1-to-1s are being hit, y'all. So I think what I'm gonna do is start risking $200 to $250 every trade. I've been contemplating whether I'm gonna do that or not, cause I only need like $100 for 5 days in order to get a payout. But I want to get the max payout land, so I think that I'm gonna start risking $200 to $250 per trade. So that means that I'm just only going to be finding A++, double plus setups that makes sense to me. Because if I'm risking $250 per trade, that means I'm only taking 1 trade a day per account. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. So I'm glad that, you know what I'm saying, the way I trade works for me. So both of my 1-to-1s been hit today. I was in a sell position earlier. It hit a 1-to-1. Had I risked $200, I would have had my $200 profit and been out of there. So I think that's what I'm gonna continue to do, man. It just depends on whether I want to take break even or not, whether it might push or not. And then this second trade also hit a 1-to-1. Had I risked $200 on that, I could have been done for the day, man. But you know what I'm saying, I try to get more, you know what I'm saying, to hit at least a 1 or 2. It seems like here recently my 1-to-1s have been getting hit, man. It's like every trade I'm doing, the 1-to-1s are being hit regardless. It's just the market want to come back and retest and then stop me out and then take off. If I just set a decent good amount of $200 to $250 per trade and my 1-to-1s are being hit, I could be done for the day. So yeah, we're gonna try something different next week, y'all. But that's today's trade, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey the Phone Trader guy coming out, man. Y'all see it, man. Look, I only trade from my cell phone. Shout out to My Funded Futures, man. Shout out to Bull Barbie. Shout out to I don't know the other gentleman's name. Shout out to him. Shout out to Terry Trades 100. They gave me a shout out today, man, on My Funded Futures TV, man. It's pretty cool, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful and I'm thankful. I'm blessed. I'm honored. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool getting mentioned, you know what I'm saying, by other traders. You know what I'm saying? For your work. And everybody can't believe that I specifically trade from my phone, y'all. I have no choice. I work a 9 to... Man, my lips dry. I'm only able to trade from my cell phone because I work a 9 to 5, y'all. Just a little story time. So what can I do to trade? You know, I don't have the opportunity and the luxury to, you know what I'm saying, keep taking breaks and lunches all the time to come to my truck to open the laptop and see what's popping, what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like if I see a trade, I might not be able to leave the job. I'm just in the parking lot, but I'm not able to leave the building all the time to come out here to my truck and take trades. So I'm like, man, I gotta find something for me and what I can do to make money while I'm in here, while I'm working. And the best solution was to buy the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 phone. Anybody don't have this, if you are a trader and you can afford it, I didn't pay this straight out, man. This is almost like a $2,000 phone, man. This is a $2,000 phone, $2,000 phone. So I'm like, man, I need to make payments, so I was eligible for an upgrade. No, that was eligible for an upgrade with this. But when I added another line with me and my wife, I added a third line. So when I added a third line, it made the payments a little bit more cheaper and stuff. So only thing I did was I'm on a payment plan. I can trade from, like, if I solely just trade it from this, I mean, now that I'm used to it, it'll be okay. The fact that I can fold this big humongous dunga phone out like this, like, I could look at the screen like this, but man, it feels so much better flipping the screen out to this. Like, I had to purchase this because if I'm gonna make this phone trading thing work, I need a bigger screen. And then, you know, a lot of people complain that they still can't do it from the phone. Well, that's where the higher time frames come in, man. Like, you just gotta zoom out, you know what I'm saying? See what's going on, what's popping, what's cracking-lacking, and then, you know what I'm saying, find your setups. But this is how I'm able to trade from my phone and make money. Yes, I lost $100 today, but man, we're gonna come back better next week. Shoot, I got 2 funded accounts. I can take my time, you know what I'm saying? I really could have made money today, but I thought it was just gonna move a little higher or a little lower so I could get more money. I wouldn't consider that greedy. I was actually aiming for like a 1 to 2, you know what I'm saying? Just to double my money. But had I risked $200 on both of those trades, I would have been out, man. I would have got my 1 to 1 because it's a Friday. But nevertheless, man, guys, man, I just want to show people that it can be done. You know what I'm saying, man? And I just want to give people hope because there's a lot of people out there struggling right now with life, man. Bills, you know what I'm saying? Health, you know what I'm saying? Most of the time it's finances, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to give people hope that work 9 to 5s. I'm just like you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make extra money, man. I do so many odd things on the side, man, to try to make money. I work a 9 to 5. I day trade, you know what I'm saying? I do Spark. I deliver people's groceries to their home, you know what I'm saying, for extra money. What else I do, man? I got a little videography business. I actually got a baby shower coming up, you know what I'm saying? I got some high profile video camera equipment, you know what I'm saying? I consider myself real deal, and I'm very passionate about what I do, you know what I'm saying? If somebody gonna pay me, you know what I'm saying, I need to make sure that I'm legit for real with a license and everything, you know what I'm saying? So I'm doing other little things, you know what I'm saying? I just want to give somebody hope. I want to put a smile on their face. I want to let people know it can be done, man. You just got to be persistent and consistent and try, you know what I'm saying? Any of you phone traders out there, man, do the best you can, man, and lock in and tap in, man. All my phone traders out there, what's up, what's happening, what's good, man? Appreciate y'all, man. That's gonna do it for this video, man. Hopefully I kept you entertained a little bit. Not too much going on. Look out for the video I'm getting ready to come out next. I'm going to show you guys what it took for me to get monetized, and also how much I've made so far. I've only posted 2 to 3 videos since I got monetized, and I made a little bit of money already. I told y'all, once I start seeing that little bit of money, I'm finna start posting like crazy, man. Look out for that video. But peace, blessings, love, y'all. Until next time, man, y'all have a good weekend. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. Man, I holla. Peace out, baby. Deuces. See y'all on the flip side.